In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an Amazon Pay account. If you're ready to make your online shopping seamless and secure, you're in the right place. Let's begin this straightforward journey into setting up and utilizing Amazon Pay. First off, you'll want to navigate to Amazon's homepage at amazon.com. This is your starting point for setting up both personal and business Amazon Pay accounts. Once you're there, you'll spot the Sign In button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the website. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to click continue after entering it, and then type in your password on the next page, followed by clicking the Sign In button. It's important to remember that maintaining the security of your login details is key when it comes to your account safety. Now, if you're looking to set up Amazon Pay specifically for personal shopping, the good news is there's no need for any additional registration. As long as you have an Amazon account, you can start using Amazon Pay immediately with your existing Amazon login credentials. This convenience is one of the biggest attractions of Amazon Pay. So the next time you're at the checkout page on a website that accepts Amazon Pay, simply select it as your payment method and you're all set. For those of you who are interested in setting up Amazon Pay for your business, it's equally straightforward but involves a few more steps. Begin by heading over to pay.amazon.com. Here, you'll click on the Business Registration button. Amazon wants to make sure they provide you with the best integration possible, so the next screen will have you select whether you're using an existing shopping cart or e-commerce provider. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter an email address and create a password. Amazon will then send a one-time password to your email to confirm your account. Make sure to keep an eye on your inbox, as this additional step is crucial for verification. Once completed, you'll have to provide details about your business, including your business name, website URL, the category of your business, and your estimated annual sales volume. These inputs help Amazon tailor their services around your needs and interests. Lastly, Amazon will guide you through any remaining prompts to finalize your setup, and just like that, you'll be ready to offer Amazon Pay as a payment option on your site, providing your customers with a trusted and seamless payment experience. And there you have it. Whether you're setting up for personal use or setting up Amazon Pay for your business, the process is quite user-friendly. Thank you for following along and happy shopping.